Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this portable fan. So this is what the fan looks like, and inside the box it came with a lanyard that you just attach onto the side hooks. This is the box it comes in, and it gives you a really nice understanding of how to use this and how it can benefit you. So inside the box it came with the charger. It uses a USB-C, the lanyard which I have already attached, and then just a manual. So I'm just going to show you how you can use this. So first, it comes with a hook so you can hold it, or you could put it through something. Then it comes with this, which you can use to use as a backup charger. So if you need to charge your phone and you're done using your fan, you can actually charge it using this. And then you also have this that goes onto the side to charge it. So if you're done using your fan and your phone's about to die, you can take out the battery using this. You don't have to, obviously. And then the part that is super nice. So obviously this is where you turn it on, but what I learned is when you turn this on, you can literally keep it on you and it'll blow at you. So I'm going to show you how that works. So on this side, you hold this power button and there's different settings. So I'm going to click this to go up, and it blows faster. So this is the max. I'm going to show you how you can wear it. So you unclip. Let me turn it off. You unclip it. Once you unclip it, you just attach it onto your neck. Make sure the black is facing towards you when you're putting it on your neck. And this is super nice. For example, I'm going to Utah this summer and we're going hiking and it gets super hot. So you can literally have this like this. You turn it on and it just blows in your face without having to attach it. So it's just like an automatic fan for you that you don't have to hold. Super nice. And then it shows you the battery percentage. So right now it's at 51%. So if you're looking for a portable fan that you could take anywhere you want, you can charge your phone even with this. It comes with a charger and you don't even have to carry it. Then I would definitely recommend and trying this.